Okay, that is the main gate. Okay, and this is the layout, and this is the main gate where we enter from here. Okay, now the event starts actually from here. We are entering inside. Now this is the Bharat pathway where the client will come on a vehicle up to here. From here to here, it is like a now here is a box truss over here, and we are going to take some.
Vintage car.
This is a vintage car, and the vintage car. I think we should have little light up also. Maybe let's see. And these are the flower mounds which are there, and they drop over here. And this house is that house. Okay, this house is that house where they are going to put with all bougainvillea flowers and all this stuff. So they wanted to light up with a little the same pink color bougainvillea so that it will enhance the color. And you take over, please.
Yeah. So then we'll have arches here. We have arches on both sides, entry and exits. Arches will be full green and floral arches. There'll be one here, there'll be one here. So once they come into this area, then this is where the Varmala is going to be.
And the Varmala practically will be
Just right in front of that,
show me in the camera. See,
right there.
right there,
Right in front of those doors.
those doors.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. Next.
And again the house will be like a backdrop for the Varmala.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So यहाँ after the Varmala here, then they are going to proceed towards this party area. This the party area consists of a stage, again a box truss stage where there's going to be artists.
Same place. Same
Yeah,
place.
yeah, same place.
The same place. The box truss is going to happen. Okay.
Yeah, and this will be where the artists. There are two different artists who will be playing. So that's going to happen there. So now this area is done. Now we again come back to this area. This is only for the that Bharat thing. Now for other guests who are coming, they are going to come here. There are going to be a series of arches right on this platform. Right.
Okay. On this platform. Okay. This is the place where this is the area. Okay.
And we are going to have crisscross arches like this. What the treatment on the arches at the moment, we are taking it as mirchi light, some greens and some mirchi light, but we'll see how it goes. And then once you come in, you have a show table, then you have your 1 to 2 for
Four seasons.
seasons, and then this is of course this is our pagoda which
The same placement, but it will be
same
in diamond
place.
shape.
Yes, yes.
The same pagoda will be there, but
Yeah.
in a diamond shape.
Yeah, and then this area is the dining. Here also we'll have two pagodas in a rectangular shape together, and this is the same place where they are going to have the Sajan Court dinner.
हमने यूज किया था ना उसमें जिंदल वाले में
उमेद भवन.
डाइनिंग एरिया में अप्रैल जिंदल कोकिल पार्टी
हाँ,
घर पे दीपिका जिंदल घर पे
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
जो डाइनिंग एरिया में हमने दो वो लगाया था वो उसके अंदर जो सदन कोट बना था पूरा उस वाला
तो
वही कैनोपी
यहाँ also they are going to have this.
With all IKEA lights we did.
We did.
We're talking about Jandal House in Khoti number 5
हाँ
in
हाँ
Delhi.
हाँ डाइनिंग एरिया था पीछे वाला
हाँ, हाँ.
हाँ वहाँ पे जो एक स्ट्रक्चर बना था ना जिसके अंदर सारे
गजीबो जैसे
गजीबो
स्ट्रक्चर
था,
बनाया था.
correct.
उसके अंदर आपने IKEA के बल्ब लगाए ना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Edison bulb and all
यस
that.
यस 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 हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
सेम स्ट्रक्चर ही है
So same structure, and this is
The
going to
same
be.
Edison bulbs are coming.
यस
Okay.
So this is going to be a seating for 60 people inside the Sajan Court.
Okay, and that is here somewhere.
There, that is here.
That is that side. Okay. Now this is the stage. This is the round pagoda, and that is the Sajjan Court area.
The Sajan Court
for
and dining area.
and dining area for 60 people.
For 60, the Sajan Court is 60 people. Otherwise, dining area will be close to 100.
Okay. Now let's go back to the map. Okay.
Okay. So this is this. They are going to have different food counters all over, and all of those seating near the near that boundary. They are going to have seating and all. Then once they come in, that's where the entire dining hall, like the buffet lounge is. So we're going to have all the buffets inside. Some seating, majority seating will be outside. Some seating will be inside. So here we are creating
Box
more like a forest theme. So it will be random counters here and there, and this entire green area which you see are going to be where trees, planters, and all in different heights, up and down. So it kind of gives you that feel.
And what is the distance? This one length.
This I'll let you know the
And
distance. I
this-
have the
okay,
distance.
okay.
I have the thing. And here we'll go inside and see the area also. And then this is the second hall, and this is where the actual mandap is going to be. The
wedding.
wedding is going to take place in this hall. So this we are going to do in an amphitheater
concept.
Yeah.
So
Sitting-
are we going to create a set, or is it already there?
No, we have to create. We'll be creating it. We'll be creating everything. So most likely the mandap will be here in round shape, and then seating here. So this is the broad overview of the entire
Okay. Okay. So this is all on 12th,
on 12th,
and we are getting this location from
10th morning.
10th morning, 10th morning, 11th, and 12th evening is the event. 12th, what time is the event?
Starts at 7.
7 o'clock.
6:30.
6:30. So we have to give the set by 4 o'clock or 5.
Yes.
3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay.